Challenges in creating realistic and engaging AI influencer personalities in 2024. 1. Authenticity and human-like behavior. Developing AI personalities that mimic human-like behavior, emotions, and interactions will be crucial. This requires advanced AI algorithms, natural language processing, NLP, and machine learning capabilities. 2. Cultural awareness and sensitivity. AI influencers must be culturally sensitive and aware of different social norms, values, and beliefs. This demands a deep understanding of diverse cultures and the ability to adapt to different contexts. 3. Emotional intelligence and empathy. AI personalities should be able to understand and respond to human emotions, demonstrating empathy and emotional intelligence. This requires advanced sentiment analysis, emotional intelligence, and psychological modeling. 4. Personalization and adaptability. AI influencers must be able to adapt to individual users' preferences, interests, and behaviors. This demands advanced data analysis, machine learning, and user profiling capabilities. 5. Transparency and trust. AI influencers must be transparent about their digital presence, identity, and motivations. Establishing trust with users will be crucial to build loyal followings. 6. Content creation and curation. AI influencers will need to generate high-quality, engaging content that resonates with their audience. This requires advanced content generation, editing, and curation capabilities. 7. Real-time engagement and interaction. AI influencers must be able to engage in real-time conversations, respond to comments, and interact with users in a natural and conversational manner. 8. Integration with existing social media platforms. AI influencers must seamlessly integrate with existing social media platforms, leveraging their strengths while minimizing potential drawbacks. 9. Ethical considerations. AI influencers must operate within ethical boundaries, respecting users' privacy, security, and well-being. This requires careful consideration of ethical implications in AI development and deployment. 10. Ongoing training and improvement. AI influencers will need ongoing training and improvement to stay up to date with evolving user preferences, new technologies, and changing social norms.